Today, we are talking about the statement of claim. The statement of claim is a court document which is usually attached to the writ of summons. The statement of claim, which forms part of the plaintiff's pleadings, is probably the most important document in the suit, as the burden is on the plaintiff to persuade to the court on the merits of its case from what is pleaded in the statement of claim. A typical statement of claim generally sets out the following matters. 1. The relationship or nexus or link between the parties, the relevant obligations which the plaintiff claimed to have been breached, the material facts in support of the breach, the losses suffered by the plaintiff due to the breach, and the relief claim by the plaintiff. The statement of claim is often prepared by a lawyer due to the importance the document holds, though this is not always the case. That's all we have with regards to the statement of claim. In our next video, we will be sharing what should one do as a defendant after receiving a writ of summons and a statement of claim. Till next time, thanks for listening.